Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Boost Mobile discount website promo code for you guys, so you guys can save money on a new device. So maybe it's, it is back to school time, and maybe you're looking for a new phone. Maybe your kid just broke your phone, or they broke their phone. You need a new phone. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can save 20% off on a new Android device. So will be on a new phone, guys. Like I said, we'll save you 20% off. So the more expensive the phone is, the more of a discount you'll get. But before we get into it, which this actually relates to this video, let's talk about our new supporter. So Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to even save more. I will have that in the description below, guys. So if you do decide to install this on your Google Chrome browser on your PC, and when you make your first purchase, I will get a small commission. This will help out the channel, so I can bring you more videos like this and unboxings, and I'll show you how that works in just a little bit. But let's get to today's video, guys. So, like I said, right now, if you go to boostmobile.com, Labor Day was just a couple days ago. They are having still a sale on it, and I know you guys love seeing these sales, so I decided to make this video. So it says Labor Day sale. Extra 20% off new Androids. Use code Labor Day 2019. So we go to Shop Androids, and then it will take you to the site. I remember this 20% off code. This is why I like making these videos, guys, because it doesn't matter if you're a new customer, existing customer, or a porting customer. Everybody will get the same price, so it's evenly matched, or evenly fair as well for everybody. So a lot of these promos are mainly for new customers or porting customers. A lot of companies do that. Well, this is what I like about Boost Mobile, is they'll give this discount to everybody. So 20% off, guys. So let's check it out, and I'll tell you which phones I recommend. And like I said, these promo codes usually come around holiday time. So the A10e is a very good phone, guys. It's $100. You'll save $20 on that phone. It's currently on sale. It's supposed to be $140, but they brought it down to $100, and you can get it, like I said, 20% off. So an extra $20 off. So that's quite a bit of savings there, So A10e is a very nice phone. I will have in the description below some of these unboxings and my thoughts on these phones, So the A10e is definitely worth it. The Moto E6 is another phone. It's $80. You can get another 20% off. I still haven't unboxed this phone just because we're getting a hurricane here pretty soon, and nobody's really shipping phones, so I don't want to go ahead and order it and then not be able to get it in time, and then not have power or something like that. So then I'll just waste time with that. So I want to wait till the hurricane passes, and then I want to go ahead and get this phone. So hopefully by next week I'll have the unboxing of this phone, guys. So another one's a really good one's the A20, guys. Definitely would recommend you save $40 currently on it. So it's $200. It's supposed to be $230, but it's currently $30 off, so you get it at $200. Of course, the Samsung S10e, but usually you can find this phone sometimes on Boost Mobile for $650. I've seen it at that price. Another cool one's a CoolPad Legacy. It's $100. The same thing, you can save $20 on that. Of course, the stylos, all the stylos, they're pretty good. Stylo 5 right there, Stylo 4, Stylo 4 Plus. Then of course Motorola, if you like Motorola, Samsung Galaxy S9 at $600. I think it's kind of overpriced. The A6 is another good one, but definitely the ones I recommend is the A series. If you like Samsung, like the A20 is a very good phone. I've done gaming reviews on both the A10e and the A20, and they're really good. So once you're here, as you can see, there's a code. You don't even have to worry about the code, because if you have Honey, you can just click on it. So you click add cart or add to cart. Once it's there, Honey will start going crazy and be like, hey, coupons found. So I found one coupon code, and also it gives you some rewards onto your Honey account, and you will be able to save and get money and all that stuff. So pretty cool. So it says apply coupons. Look at that. It found a coupon. It added it right here. Look at that. It already added the promo. It found it. And then it'll bring it down to, look at that, 160, guys. That's how easy it is. So I said, get your 20% off. This promo does end tomorrow, so definitely do it quick, because you want to save 20% off. That's, you know, quite a bit of savings. Like I said, on this one, $40. I mean, who gives you just $40? Best time to get it is A20, like I said, or the A10e. So, and use Honey. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully, this video is very informative to you guys. Like I said, I love doing these videos because I know a lot of carriers don't do a lot for their current customers, but this way they can do at least something to kind of combat that. So, thank you for watching, guys. So, like I said, check out my supporter, netbuddy.co as well. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. And as well, my new supporter, Honey, they really do help the channel out, guys, and you help the channel out as well. All that will be in the description below. So thanks for coming and see the channel. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Also, you can now click the join button next to the subscribe button. So check all that out. Thank you so much, guys. And like I said, stay tuned for a lot more videos. I am working on a Motorola video, but like I said, I have to wait till the hurricane goes because it should be here probably by tomorrow or tonight, something like that. So for all you guys on the East Coast, be careful, guys. Like I said, this hurricane, you know, it's coming. So hopefully it misses us. So yep. Thank you.